5 factors you need to consider before choosing a web host. It's not just about uptime. Check out these key factors when considering your company's next web host. Starting an online venture has several important steps to consider, but one of the most important is where to host it. The right web hosting providers can mean the difference between informed, happy customers and irate buyers, or even an audience that does not know you exist. For most small businesses and startups, the problem is knowing that what to look for before settling on the hoster that's right for you. To help, we have broken out 5 of the most important features you should consider when looking for your website home. Go to the right hosting service. It sounds like an obvious consideration, but not all hosting services are created equal, even depending on your high-level needs. For example, if you anticipate your traffic need to be low and stay that way foreseeable future, then you will want to look at shared web hosting or VPS hosting options. On the other hand, if you are anticipating large flux of customers on a steady basis, dedicated hosting solutions are one of the larger cloud players mentioned above is your better bet. Since you will probably hire internal IT staff to monitor your website, make sure you have chosen a hoster that can work with the monitoring tools those folks want to use. And if your website is your business's main resources, you might also want to host other parts of your businesses there, like your company's email services or your digital marketing tools. And the latter is especially useful if you don't want to go out of house. An important commerce elements such as a search engineer optimizations, SEO, or customized marketing analytics that all sound much too complex if you are just starting out, but you will grow into those needs much faster than you think, so at least plan for them at the outset. Check up on reliability. Uptime is the state you are looking for when you want to know how reliable your hosting partner is. Service without good uptime numbers can level you hanging when you are hit with large traffics surge. For example, even smaller online merchants can experience a traffic boost during Black Friday or the December holidays rush. If your customers get 404 errors because your hoster cannot be handle the sudden load, you are losing revenue with no resource. To get a handle on uptime for a potential partner, to do some research on website such as cloud specters and review signal, which publish metrics on uptime and reliability for long list of web hosting providers.